Folks, in this edition of Into the Fray, we'll talk about holster adjustability from the Concealed Carry Expo. I'm here with Mike Baum from Galco, and I stopped here at this booth because, as you guys know, I carry the Gray Man pistol in my King Tuck holster from Galco, but you may not know the wide variety of options that this King Tuck holster gives you for making that holster your own. So, Mike, tell us a little bit about what we can do with this holster to adjust it and make it feel good for us.
Sure thing, Kevin. So with the King Tuck design, basically you've got the Kydex front, you've got the leather backing plate, but what we have on the backing plate is adjustability for these clips. So what you can do by moving the clip up and down in these holes is adjust the ride height itself, so up and down, however deep or not deep you want to put it in your pants. And you can also vary the cant and angle. So if you raise one side, that'll push it this way. If you raise the other side, it'll push it back a bit. So what you can do with this holster, again, is up and down and cant and angle.
Yeah, and I switched out my plastic clips with the leather clips that came with the King Tuck holster. They were right in the package there. I just kind of like them better, the snap clips
right
on there.
And we offer several options for that. The leather ones that you use, it comes with these plastic ones. We also have metal ones. So there are a bunch of options. Just depends on what the end user prefers.
Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate taking the time to talk to us.
Sure.
And folks, when I adjusted my holster, the first thing I did was move it down a little bit. When you adjust your holster, wear it for a couple of days to see how it works. When I dropped mine down lower to make it more concealable, it was bumping into my wallet, so I kept having it push my gun up, and it wasn't comfortable. So adjust your holster, practice with it, and make it your own. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. If you like these videos, please share them with all your friends, and remember to subscribe to this page. I'll give you more great information every week. And keep this conversation going. Comment down below. Tell us what you like about your holster.